What's going on? It's NYC Real Estate P, your New York City and Long Island real estate agent, back with another video to help you with your real estate journey. And yes, we're doing another property tour right here in Freeport, New York. Behind me, I have 3 brand new construction homes just a couple blocks away from the Nautical Mile. So if you're familiar with the area, you know exactly where you are. And if you're not, you got to come check out the Nautical Mile. Great seafood, great drinks, great parties, great vibes. Anyway, back to the homes. I have 3 brand new construction homes. Each have 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, central air conditioning, and just a lovely, lovely view of Freeport behind us. Okay? Now, if you're interested in seeing any of these homes, please reach out to me immediately. Comment down below or call me or send an email. Okay? Also, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell. And I hope you enjoy the property tour. I hope you enjoyed the property tour of this beautiful home. Just so that you're aware, the 2 homes to my right, they have the exact same layout of each other, and their layout is just the opposite of this home right here. So if you're interested in seeing any one of these homes, please feel free to reach out to me. Make sure to leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video, if you had any questions about the homes, or if you just want to comment on the homes. Also, let me know which color do you like the most. Do you like the white and the black? Sorry, as a neighbor. Do you like the blue or do you like the gray? All right. Also, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, especially if you enjoyed this video. I'm NYC Real Estate P, and I'll catch you next time.